Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today we are doing a massive seafood boil. I have some lobster here, shrimp, crawfish, giant snow crabs, potatoes, and corn. For today's drink, I'm just doing a peach Bellini. So let's go ahead and say grace. Amen. Happy New Year! Girl, I tried to have it set up all cute. I had balloons, all of them popped. Girl, they down here on the floor. They just, but this one hung on, so we gonna just roll with it. Hey y'all! Happy 2021. Hopefully y'all can see me okay. Girl, so we're gonna jump right in. Y'all look at these giant crawfish. Look at this. This thing is huge. So we just eating today, y'all. No story time. I hope everybody is having a good day, y'all. I am so behind. It's literally 4:30 and I have to put this video out at 6:30. So hopefully I can get it on time. Taste this. That's not bad. These crawfish so good. I got these crawfish from Rose, but they were not the ones that was in the bag. Oh, good. These were the ones that they had in the cooler. So they had all the big ones back there, so I went ahead and grabbed me like 2 pounds, but I only have a little bit on my plate today. Girl, them things hard to get into. Okay, let me get some of this. I got these giant snow crabs again. These things are so big. And they're also from Rose. So what y'all did last night, girl, to bring the new year in? I hope y'all was being safe and making sure that y'all was socially distancing. We have to be responsible so we can get this thing over and done with. Because I am tired of it, okay? But we didn't do anything. We bought some fireworks. Little Tony ended up falling asleep. I was barely hanging on, child. I didn't think I was gonna make it to 12 o'clock. Because if y'all don't know, I am not that girl. I don't stay up all night. And especially if I have me something to sip on. So, we made it, child. And went straight to sleep. So I guess, I don't know what Tony gonna do with them fireworks. I guess he can pop some tonight. Oh. And I guess I need to make me some, what are those, greens and black eyed peas? Everybody keep asking, you cooked your greens and black eyed peas? I'm like, no. I'm not that superstitious like that, y'all. Look at this. Yeah, I'm so excited for the new year. Just a fresh start. So if it's something that you guys want to do this year, do it. Don't wait. Figure it out along the way. Just do it. Whatever it is, just do it, honey. Thank you to everybody that follow me on my vlog channel. Thank you, thank you. I sure appreciate y'all. Y'all, so this drink is just maybe like two or three of these Smirnoff Ice Peach Bellini drinks. I think this is only like, girl, I don't even tell y'all the alcohol percentage in this. This is a joke. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all because y'all know y'all my girls, so I gotta tell y'all. Girl, it's 5%. Not even 5%, it's 4.5%. But you know what? I don't know what they thought they were doing with that. But I was in a rush, so I just dumped it all in there. And I know somebody's gonna ask about the dry ice. I get the dry ice from Publix. Oh, I know. I gotta tell y'all. So, I know some of y'all have had truffle fries, right? I love truffle fries. I love fries, period, but I really like truffle fries. So today when I was in HomeGoods, I came across some truffle oil, truffle sauce, truffle salt. It actually has like the little pieces of truffle in it, like the sea salt. It had a bunch of different other things in there. It wasn't cheap either, so I bought it. But I have no idea what I'm gonna make. So y'all let me know if y'all know some good dishes. Because I haven't been on Pinterest yet. Of course I'm gonna go on Pinterest and, you know, do my own research and stuff, but some of y'all be having some good recipes. So if y'all know anything that I can do with that truffle, y'all let me know. And then, like I said, I'm gonna wait for y'all first, of course. And then I'm gonna go on Pinterest and see, you know, if I can find something. See what I can come up with. And thank you to everybody that told me to watch that show, Peppermint. It was really good. I did enjoy that. Some of y'all told me to watch, I think it was called Ava. I couldn't really get into that one. It was a little too slow for me, so I ended up turning it off. But now I'm watching Designated Survivor. I mean, this is an old show. I think it came out 2019, I think. But it's so good. So I'm still on the first season. I think like episode 12 or something like that. But it's really good. I love watching shows like that. And it's so funny because watching that show and knowing everything that's going on now, when they show like the president meeting up with other people, and I'm thinking in my head, why they don't have on a mask? You know what I'm saying? Like, oh girl, that was way before this mask situation. But that's all I think about now. Like when I watch shows and stuff, that's the first thing that comes to my mind. Like, why they not wearing a mask? Or why they so close? Girl, these daggone claws, these things are huge. Look at this. Look. This thing is so big. We got a good story time on Monday. Girl, I can't wait to tell y'all about that. Y'all, I'm hungry too, so don't come for me, okay? Don't be saying, girl, you was messing that food up, and is. Because this is my first time eating. But I wanted to do some king crab. But the Costco's in the town center, if you guys are from Jacksonville, girl, them king crabs was so small. They had like 3 in a pack. They never have 3 in a pack. Y'all know they always have like 2 in a pack. They had 3 because they was like probably this big. Like, I'm not joking. They were small. Child was all in their business. The guy was telling the other guy that they should have the big ones in today. Because I went up there Thursday. So that's what he told him, girl. So I'll probably go up there next week. I have some king crab for y'all on Monday maybe. We'll see. It just depends on how I'm feeling, like what I want to eat. And I haven't had shrimp on my channel in so long. Boiled shrimp. And I love boiled shrimp. I really love fried shrimp. But I've been trying not to eat a lot of fried food. And I do like boiled shrimp, but me and Tony, we used to wear boiled shrimp out. And I got a little tired of them. And don't you say, I know somebody over there like, well, girl, you wear crabs out. And do? Girl, I do. And I love them too. I can't get tired of crabs. But how can you get tired of crab meat? I can. There's so many different things that you can do with crab meat. Like, I can't get tired of crab meat. And last night, child, while we was waiting on the ball to drop, I had made some buffalo shrimp dip. Girl, that stuff is so good. Look at this. This is out of the crawfish. That is a big piece of meat. Yeah, I had made some buffalo shrimp dip. We drank us some champagne. And then we took a shot of tequila. And then we went to sleep. In that order, okay? We went to sleep. Ooh. Y'all, I'm so excited for the new year. I really am. Just to see what 2021 is giving, okay? I'm gonna do my part though. I'm doing my part. And how many of y'all doing your vision boards? I like to do vision books. So it's just for my eyes only. People do pray on your downfall, child. So I like to do the books. I started doing that probably like 2 years ago. I'll just buy like a little scrapbook with the clear pages, and you could do it exactly how you would do your vision board. But it's just in a book. So that's what I'll be doing. So I won't have like a little vision board party. Well, I like to do my vision books by myself. But I know a lot of people do the vision board parties and stuff. That's good. How much time I got? Well, I got all this food left. Woo. I'm not gonna get to the lobster right now. I'm trying to eat a little bit of everything. I'm kind of glad I didn't get the king crab, because that would have been too much. It was something else I wanted to tell y'all, because I be trying to remember everything that y'all be asking me. Oh. If you're wondering what type of hair this hair is from Eunice Hair. So I have a link in my description box, and it's in the Amazon link that's in the description box, and I have it on there. It's from Eunice Hair. If y'all want to get y'all some. This is a deep wave. It's real long. Y'all know I'm a little short. It's 20, is it 26 or 28? I think 28 inches. Ooh. This coffee is so good. Don't y'all wish we can like listen to music and stuff? We can listen to music, eat, and just have us a good old time. I wish we could do that. We could do that on live. But then I would have to take the live down and all that other drama. I ain't gonna be no good after this. Y'all, I'm so hungry. And I'm running out of time, and I'm still hungry. Okay, guys, so I hope you're done eating if you're eating with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the next 2 videos at the bottom of the screen. And I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, y'all. Happy New Year. Love y'all.